Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video, and it's official. Apple has finally announced their September event date, which is going to be held on September 12th. This year's tagline, however, is going to be Wanderlust, which I really don't know what it means. I think Apple at this point is just trying to use fancy words to raise the suspense. But one thing that I can say is that Apple is actually teasing us with this new logo that came out. And I have to say that this logo is probably the best looking logo in recent years for its events. And as always, especially with the iPhone event, Apple is giving us a little bit of a hint. If we pay close attention, we can see the color scheme this time, which is kind of like this dark gray, bluish color, mostly blue, I would say. And it's almost like the same colors that were rumored for the iPhone 15 Pro that I also mentioned in my previous video. Well, who am I kidding? This is actually the colors that we can expect, and I'm pretty sure that Apple is trying to give us a little bit of a hint of what's going on. But that's not the only thing. If we look at the live version of the logo, we can see that there's this kind of like dust particles moving away, and it's kind of like it's forming something new. Metallic particles going away, fading away. Kind of like giving us a hint that the stainless steel option is going away, and it's actually now creating a new one, which is the rumored iPhone 15 Pro lineup, which is supposed to be now made up of titanium. This is just my opinion, but like always, Apple likes to give us a little bit of a hint. They like to tease us, so I'm just assuming that that's what it's gonna be. And this is not only my opinion. Almost everyone that saw this immediately thought of two things: the color schemes, and again, they also thought of the new metal being formed, which is the titanium one. One thing that I really haven't talked about this year is the iPhone 15, the standard lineup. And if we talk about the colors, we were initially hearing that the color this time was going to be a very bright kind of theme. Specifically, two colors that we were hearing about was the vivid blue, which was going to be a very bright color, and also the Barbie pink, which again is a very bright color. And as bright as these colors sound, do colors have sound? I don't think they do. But my point is that this year, the theme of the iPhone 15 lineup is going to be a very dull kind of color lineup. So it's more of a pastel type of color. So we're gonna have the blue color, the pink color, the green color, and also a yellow color, and then also finally a black color. And as with the iPhone 15 Pro lineup, you might have noticed that I didn't mention one color, which is the white color, because it looks like the white color is actually being discontinued this time. Just like the 15 Pro, we're hearing that the gold color is not going to be coming out. We also have a reduction of a color with the iPhone 15 standard models, which means that if you want to buy a standard iPhone 15, you have to choose a color option. You can't go with a neutral color apart from the black color. But I'm not really too worried about that, because the iPhone 15 lineup this time is almost an iPhone 14 Pro, because we're going to be getting a dynamic island. We're going to be getting USB-C. We're going to be getting a 48 megapixel camera, and we're also getting the A15 Bionic chip that we currently have on the iPhone 14 Pro. So the iPhone 15 is essentially an iPhone 14 Pro without the 120 hertz display and without the stainless steel body. One more thing that I wanted to talk about is we are also expecting a watch as well this time. So like every iPhone event, we get an Apple Watch with it. So the Series 9 is also expected this time, which is supposed to get a real upgrade this time, which is going to be a better, faster chip. And there are rumors that we may get a chip that's actually designed alongside the A15 Bionic platform, which means that we are getting a proper powerful chip, which will have better battery life. And this is just Apple kind of future-proofing itself, because with watchOS 10, you are gonna have your watches slowing down. So this is a good upgrade that Apple is making, but I'm not really excited about that. What I'm excited about is the Apple Watch Ultra Series 2. There are a couple rumors, slight improvements on the performance, and the biggest upgrade that we are hearing about is SOS and Satellite connectivity options. But again, I'm not excited about those two things. I'm excited about the color option, because we are hearing that we may get a darker gray or kind of like a black color with the same titanium body. Last but not least, we are also expecting the third version of the AirPods Pro. And the main change that we're going to be seeing is the addition of a USB-C connectivity this time. And that may not seem like a big upgrade, and you're actually right. But Apple is doing this so that their whole ecosystem can now be USB-C, because we are expecting the iPhone 15 lineup, the whole lineup, to come with USB-C. So having a USB-C AirPods is actually going to be the main selling point, and people will just buy the new AirPods. If you're buying an iPhone 15, then you can expect the same people to also buy the USB-C option AirPods, because then you have one wire which is going to be connecting and charging all of your devices. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the Apple event. Just wanted to quickly do a video giving my thoughts and what I think Apple is hinting at. September 12th, exactly 2 weeks away, actually 13 days away if I'm being specific. Really excited what Apple is going to bring out. Stay tuned, because we are going to be having all of these devices in the studio. We're actually trying to book them as soon as they come out. Let me know what your thoughts are, and thank you once again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.